Good morning, children. Yesterday, we were reading The Treasure Within, and we read how Hafiz Contractor overcame all the problems in his life, and how he could reach to the pinnacle of success, overcoming them, and how he acquired the I would say the skills, how he acquired the skills which helped him to fight and to get the position which he is presently in his life. Now the interviewer, that is because the personality and skills were there. Now the interviewer is saying that you already had those skills and you already had a personality, and you are able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable with. And the interviewer is asking that you defied every rule. Defied means you disobeyed every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. Now Hafiz Contractor, I was more interested in other things. If, for example, while in class, it started raining outside. Now he's saying, suppose I'm sitting in class and it starts raining. Now I would think of flowing water. Now I would not think of study. Rather, I would think of flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. What I'll think of? I'll think of making a dam to block the water flow. I would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. That was my interest for that day. Now, when a student lost a button, while playing, now he's saying, quoting another example, that while fighting, sometimes a child he will lose a button of his shirt. They would come running to me, and I would cut a button for them. I would immediately use a chalk, and I would shape it, using a blade, and I would put in their shirt. Now, discipline in the school was very important, and no student could afford to have a button missing, since it was very much required in our school to have all the buttons up. Now, the student would get past dinner with a full neat uniform, and after that, it did not matter. Actually, up till dinner time, we had to be in uniform, and after that, it would not matter much. Now, interviewer. Coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give a client? Now, interviewer asks, how do you decide that which client want which structure? I look at the client's face, his clothes, the way he talks and pronounces, the way he eats, and I would know what his taste would be like. I can relate to people in a way that would be comfortable. I can, according to their needs, I can make up my drawings, and I sketch very spontaneously on a paper on the spot, and that paper I give to my people in the office. Now the Hafiz, call it instinct, call it arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes to me like mathematics. Now he's saying that finally it comes to me like mathematics. I started because putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. I never liked mathematics all through my life, but now I'm dealing with it. Here we almost come to a full circle with Mr. Contractor has derived his own interpretation of mathematics, taking it from a subject he hated to a subject he now loves dealing with. Actually, mathematics was the subject he always entire his life, kept hating. Now this is the subject he's earning his bread and butter with. So there are 3 comprehension checks, dear ones. Comprehension check. Yeah, what did Hafiz Contractor have nightmares about? Obviously about his examination has started and he cannot do anything. What did the principal say? He said to him that your mother is, working hard. You have no father. So do something about your life. That year I didn't step out. What was he busy doing? He was studying. What distraction did he create one day? What distraction did Hafiz Contractor create one day? For this, you have to, you remember it? What distraction? You understand first what is a distraction here? Distraction is when you cannot focus on one thing for long. Okay, so he's talking about a distraction which I would like to quote here an example, the paragraph here. Okay, you have to just find it out. It's here. I mean, he was smart enough. Whenever he would not do his work, he would do something so that the teacher would not forget to ask him, the questions. Okay, now get into comprehension check part 2. It was so sad. Hafiz contractor wanted to join the police force. Why? Because his mom forbade him. In the architect's office, Hafiz contractor was wise to drop everything because he could draw that window. He could tell the drawbacks of that window which the other man was drawing. What was Mr. Gupta's advice? It was advised was to join architecture as soon as possible. What made her advise him so? Because what was Mrs. Gupta's advice to Hafiz? Mrs. Gupta's advice to Hafiz contractor, you understand, she was the teacher, primary teacher. So she took him, like she asked him to take up this, architecture when he grows up. And what made her advise him so? Because she had seen his drawings. How did he help fellow students who had lost? Like he would use a chalk. What rules did he break as a school boy? He would break every rule, which exists in school. What is Hafiz contractor's definition? His definition of mathematics is like putting design, construction, psychology, sociology, putting it together is mathematics. And I'll send you the assignment with this today. Thank you, everyone.